Hello students, today we'll do exercise 5.1. Question number 11. Find all the points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x is greater than 2. So, less than or x is less than or equal to 2, the function is x cube minus 3. So you know x cube minus 3 is a polynomial, it is a cubic polynomial. So polynomial functions are continuous everywhere. So less than 2 it is continuous. Similarly greater than 2 also the function is continuous because x square plus 1 is a polynomial. So polynomial functions are continuous everywhere. So less than 2 and greater than 2, the function is continuous. At 2, we have to check whether the function is continuous at x is equal to 2. For that, first we have to check whether the function is defined at 2. Then the left limit and right limit. So let us see f of 2. What is f of 2? For at x is equal to 2, the function is x cube minus 3. So the function is x cube minus 3. F of x is x cube minus 3. So substitute x is equal to 2. So 2 cube minus 3, that is equal to 5. So f of 2 is defined. F of 2 exists. Next you have to find the limit. So we have to find the left limit. Limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x. So left of 2, the function is x cube minus 3. So x tends to 2 minus, it is x cube minus 3. So 2 minus, we want to find the left limit. You have to substitute x is equal to 2 minus h. So 2 minus h, the whole cube minus 3. Put h is 0. 2 cube minus 3. 8 minus 3, it is 5. So there is a left hand limit. Now right hand limit we have to find. X tends to 2 plus of f of x. So limit x tends to 2 plus. Right of 2, the function is x square plus 1 greater than 2. So 2 plus means it is greater than 2. So x square plus 1. So replace x by 2 plus h. So 2 plus h the whole square plus 1. Put h is 0. So 4 plus 1, 5. So the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. Therefore the limit x tends to 2 f of x exists. So limit exists and we have to check if the limit value is equal to the function value. So the value of the function is also equal to 5. And the limit value is also equal to 5. So if the limit value is equal to the function value, therefore then the function is continuous at that point. That is the definition of continuous function. Definition of function to be continuous at x is equal to a. So the function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Therefore the function is continuous everywhere. So it is a continuous function. Therefore, there are no points of discontinuity. Find the points of discontinuity is a question. There is no point of discontinuity for this. Because less than 2, it is a polynomial. It is continuous. Greater than 2 also, it is a polynomial. It is continuous. At 2 also, the function is continuous. Next is question number 12. F of x is equal to x power 10 minus 1. X less than or equal to 1, x square if x is greater than 1. At 1, less than 1, the function is x power 10 minus 1. Greater than 1, the function is x square. So less than 1, it is a polynomial, therefore it is continuous. Greater than 1 is also a polynomial, it is continuous. We have to check only at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, we have to find the left limit, right limit, and we have to check at x is equal to 1 whether the function exists. So the function is at x is equal to 1, the function is x power 10 minus 1. So put x is 1, so f of 1 is 1 power 10 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So at 1 the function value is 0. Now let us check the left side, the left hand limit. So left of 1 the function is x power 10 minus 1. X tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means left. So left of 1, how do you write? You have to replace x by 1 minus h. So 1 minus h the whole power 10 minus 1. Put h is 0. So 1 minus 1 0. So left hand limit is equal to 0. Now we have to check the right hand limit. So x tends to 1 plus of f of x. Limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x is greater than 1. 1 plus h means greater than 1. So greater than 1 the function is x square. So limit h tend to 0. X is replaced by 1 plus h the whole square. Substitute h is 0. 1 square is equal to 1. So h is equal to 0, you get 1. So left hand limit is equal to 0 and the right hand limit is equal to 1. So left hand limit is not equal to the right hand limit. That means the limit doesn't exist at x is equal to 1. If the limit doesn't exist, that means the function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. So the point of discontinuity of this function is x is equal to 1. The point of discontinuity is x is equal to 1. Next, question number 13. Is the function f of x defined by x plus 5, x less than or equal to 1, x minus 5, x greater than 1 is a continuous function? Is this a continuous function? Now if you take less than or equal to 1, x plus 5. X plus 5 is a linear function. It's a linear function. Therefore it is a continuous function. It is continuous everywhere. So less than 1 throughout it is continuous. Greater than 1 again the function is x minus 5. It is a linear function. It is a continuous function. It is continuous everywhere. Now we have to check only at 1. So at x is equal to 1 we have to check. So less than 1 it is x plus 5. Greater than 1 the function is x minus 5. So at x is equal to 1 the functional value at x is equal to 1 it is x plus 5. So substitute x is equal to 1. So you get 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So the functional value exists at 1. The function has a value that is equal to 6. Now left side, left limit, x tends to 1 minus. Left limit is x plus 5. So substitute x as 1 minus h. So when you put x as 1 minus h, x tends to 1, h will tend to 0. So put h is 0, 1 minus x tends to 1, h will tend to 0. So it will become 1 plus 5, that is 6. So the left hand limit is equal to 6. The right hand limit is limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. So right side it is given as x minus 5. So the right limit we write it as x limit x tends to 1 plus x minus 5. That is limit h tends to 0, x is replaced by 1 plus h. When you put h is 0, it will become 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. So at x is equal to 1, the left hand limit is not equal to the right hand limit. That means limit of f of x at x tends to 1 doesn't exist. The limit doesn't exist means the function is not a continuous function. It is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Thank you.